Sometimes, the worst problems don't make a sound. They leave a smell. One tiny leak, hidden in the one place most people never check. One week, the cabinet floor warps. 1 month, the smell becomes stronger. 3 months, cabinet doors no longer close correctly.
Found the source.
That smell wasn't just unpleasant. It was your home asking for help. Catch the problem early, before it becomes a costly repair. You cleaned the kitchen, took out the trash, even opened the windows. But the smell never went away. Hidden beneath the sink, a small leak was quietly soaking your cabinet every day. Moisture led to mold led to damaged wood, and a simple repair became an expensive renovation. At Wynn's Plumbing, we find what's hidden before it becomes a disaster. Because your home is always giving you clues, if you know where to look. Next episode, the toilet that flushed itself.